Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. And hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's great to be here today.
It's great to see you, Paul. How are you?
I am very good, thank you. I feel happy today. And you, Emily?
I'm doing great, thank you. I feel happy too. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. A perfect day to learn some English.
Exactly. And before we start, we have a small request for you all. Please subscribe to our channel, Mr. English Channel.
Yes, and please give this episode a like. It helps us a lot. Share it with your friends and family too.
Thank you so much. Okay, Paul, are you ready for our topic today?
I am ready. I'm very excited about this topic.
Me too. Today, we are talking about something very important. The topic is, it's time to take control of your life.
Wow, that is a big topic. Take control of your life. What does that mean, Emily?
That's a good question. For me, it means making good choices, small choices, every day.
Ah, I see. So, not big, scary choices, small choices.
Yes, exactly. Small things like what you eat for breakfast or when you wake up in the morning.
Okay, I understand. These small things are important. They can change your day.
They can. A good breakfast gives you energy. Waking up early gives you more time.
That is so true. Sometimes I wake up late and my whole day feels rushed. Not good.
I know that feeling. So, the first step is to look at our small daily habits.
Daily habits. Things we do every day. Okay, so let's talk about the morning, the start of the day.
Perfect. What is a good habit for the morning, Paul?
For me, a very good habit is to not look at my phone first.
Oh, that is a hard one, but a very good one.
It is hard, but when I look at my phone, I see so many things. Emails, news. It's a lot for the morning.
I agree. It can be stressful. So, what do you do instead?
I try to just sit for 5 minutes, quietly, and I drink a big glass of water.
A glass of water is a fantastic idea. It's so good for your body. And being quiet, that sounds nice.
It is. It helps my mind feel calm, ready for the day. What about you, Emily? What is a small morning habit for you?
I like to make my bed.
Ah, my mother always told me to do that.
Mothers know best. It's a very small task. It takes 1 or 2 minutes. But when it's done, my room looks clean.
Yes, it does. And you feel good. You did one thing already.
Exactly. I started the day with one small success. It makes me feel organized.
I love that. A small success. That's a great way to think about it. Okay, so we have drink water, be quiet, and make the bed. These are small things.
Very small things. Anyone can do them, and they help you feel in control.
Yes, you are in control of your morning. Not your phone, not the messy room, you.
That's it. You are the boss of your morning.
I like that. I am the boss. So, after the morning, what's next? Let's talk about a plan for the day.
Oh, a plan is so important. Do you make a plan every day, Paul?
I try to. I have a small notebook. I write down 3 things I need to do.
Only 3 things? That's interesting. Why only 3?
Well, if I write a long list, like 10 things, I feel stressed. I look at the list and think, oh no, so much to do.
I understand that feeling completely. A long list can be scary.
Yes, but a list of 3 things feels possible. I can do 3 things. It feels good.
That is a wonderful tip, Paul. A short list. So, what kind of things do you write on your list?
Simple things. For example, 1, go to the supermarket. 2, call my sister. 3, read my book for 20 minutes.
Those are great examples. They are clear and simple tasks.
Yes, and when I finish one, I take my pen and I make a check, like this.
Oh, the check mark. That is the best feeling.
It is. It feels so good to see the check. It means I did it. I am in control.
You are. You made a plan and you followed it. That's fantastic. It gives you confidence.
It does. It makes me feel strong. What about you, Emily? Do you use a notebook?
I do. I love notebooks. I have a pink one. I write my list for the day, too. Sometimes I also write one thing that I am happy about.
Ah, that's beautiful. So you write what you need to do, and you write something good.
Yes. For example, yesterday I wrote, I am happy because the sun is shining. It's a small thing.
But it's a happy thing. It helps you see the good in your day.
It does. It makes my mind feel positive and happy. And when I feel happy, it is easier to do the things on my list.
That makes so much sense. A happy mind is a strong mind.
Yes, exactly. Taking control of your life is also about taking control of your thoughts.
Tell me more about that. Taking control of your thoughts. How do we do that?
Well, sometimes we have sad or bad thoughts, like, oh, this is too hard, or I can't do this.
Yes, everyone has those thoughts sometimes.
Right, and it's okay, but we can choose to not believe them. We can say, no, I can try.
So we can talk to our thoughts?
Yes, in a way. We can change a bad thought to a good thought. For example, if I think, my English is not very good, that's a sad thought.
It is. And it's not true for you. Your English is wonderful.
Oh, thank you, Paul. But if I have that thought, I can change it. I can say, my English is getting better every day. I am learning.
Ah, I see. That is a much better thought. It's positive. It makes you want to continue learning.
Exactly. It gives you power. You are in control of how you see yourself.
Wow, that is very powerful, Emily. Our thoughts are so important, so we need to choose good thoughts.
Yes, it's like a garden. If you plant flowers, you get a beautiful garden. If you plant weeds, you get a messy garden.
Our mind is the garden, and our thoughts are the seeds.
You got it. We need to plant positive seeds, good thoughts.
I love that idea. Plant good thoughts. So, how can we find more good thoughts to plant?
Good question. We can read good books. We can listen to happy music. We can talk to positive people.
Ah, positive people. Our friends are very important.
They are so important. Friends who say, you can do it, or that's a great idea. They help us feel strong.
That's true. A good friend is a gift. They help us see the good in ourselves.
Yes, and we can be that good friend to other people too. we can give them a positive thought.
That's a wonderful circle. You were positive, you help your friends be positive, and they help you.
It's a team of positive thinkers.
I want to be on that team.
You are on the team, Paul. You are a very positive person.
Thank you, Emily. You are too. This conversation is making me feel so good and strong.
Me too. So we have small habits in the morning. We have a short plan for the day. And we have positive thoughts.
These are all great ways to take control. And you know, Emily, for me, there is one more thing that helps me. It is very important to me.
Oh, please tell us, Paul.
For me, my faith is very important. I am a Christian, and I pray.
Ah, that is a beautiful thing, Paul. Can you tell us more about how prayer helps you?
Of course. For me, prayer is talking to God. In the morning, when I am quiet, I talk to God. I say, "Thank you for this day."
That's a lovely way to start the day, with thanks.
Yes, and I also ask for help. I say, "God, please give me strength today. Please help me to be kind."
And do you feel that God helps you?
I do. I feel that I am not alone. I have God with me. This makes me feel very strong. It makes me feel calm when things are difficult.
That's wonderful. To feel you are not alone gives you a lot of peace.
It does. When I feel worried or stressed, I can pray. It helps me to give my worries to God. I trust that He has a good plan for my life.
Trust is a very important word. To trust in a good plan.
Yes. In the Bible, it says we can ask for wisdom, and God will give it to us. So when I have a big choice to make, I pray and ask for wisdom.
So your faith helps you make good choices and feel strong.
Exactly. It is the foundation. It's like the strong floor of my house. Everything else is built on it. My positive thoughts, my plans, they are all stronger because of my faith.
Thank you for sharing that, Paul. It's a very personal and very powerful part of taking control of your life. It's about knowing you have support from God.
Yes. And it's about love. God loves us, and He wants us to live a good, happy life. So He helps us take control and make good choices.
That's a beautiful thought, that we have help to live a good life.
We do. We just need to ask. For me, reading a little bit of the Bible each day also helps. The words are full of hope and love.
So it's like planting more good seeds in your mind garden.
Yes, the best seeds. It gives me a good perspective. It reminds me what is truly important: love, kindness, and helping others.
And when you focus on those things, the small, stressful things seem smaller.
They do. They really do. So my faith is my anchor. It keeps me steady.
I love that. An anchor. That's a great word. Thank you again for sharing that, Paul. It's a very important piece of the puzzle.
You're welcome, Emily. I think taking control of our life is different for everyone, but these ideas can help.
I agree. It's not about being perfect. It's about trying, one small step at a time.
Yes, it's a journey, not a race. Some days are good. Some days are not so good, and that's okay.
It is okay. On a not-so-good day, we can be kind to ourselves. We can say, okay, today was hard. Tomorrow is a new day. I can try again.
Be your own good friend. That's great advice. Don't say bad things to yourself.
Never. We should talk to ourselves like we talk to a friend we love, with kindness.
With kindness. That is a perfect word for this. Take control of your life with kindness.
Yes, be kind to your body. Give it good food and water.
Be kind to your mind. Give it good thoughts and a good plan.
And be kind to your heart. Spend time with people you love. Do things that make you happy.
This is all so good, Emily. I feel like I can go and have a great day now. A great week.
Me too. It all starts with one small choice, right now.
Okay, what is one small choice you will make after this podcast, Emily?
I think I will drink a big glass of water, and I will write down my 3 things for tomorrow.
Excellent plan. I think I will call my friend. A friend who is always positive, just to say hello.
I love that. You are being a good friend and planting positive seeds.
I will try. It's all about these small actions.
It is. Over time, these small actions make a big, big difference. They build a happy and controlled life.
A life that you choose, not a life that just happens.
Yes, exactly. You are the driver of your car. You choose where to go.
I like that picture. I am the driver. I have the map, and I can choose the road.
And if you take a wrong turn?
It's okay. I can stop, look at the map, and find a new road. No problem.
No problem at all. That is the perfect way to think about it. It's your journey.
It is. Wow. This was a fantastic conversation, Emily. I learned a lot.
I did too, Paul. It's good to talk about these things. It reminds us of what we can do.
It reminds us that we are strong. We have the power to make our lives better.
We do. Every single one of us. And our listeners, you are strong too. You can do it.
Yes, you can. Start with one small thing today. Just one.
That's the best advice. And it looks like our time is almost up for today.
Oh, already? Time goes fast when we are having a good conversation.
It really does. But we will be back soon with a new episode.
That's right. And we have a small request for our amazing listeners before we go.
Yes, we do. We would love to hear from you. In the comments below, please tell us, what is one small thing you will do today to take control of your life?
What a great question. It can be anything. Drink a glass of water. Make your bed. Write a list of 3 things. Go for a 5-minute walk.
Anything at all. We want to read your ideas, your one small step. It will be wonderful to see everyone's plans.
Yes, and please, if you liked this episode, give it a thumbs up. A like really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel so you don't miss our next episodes. And share this episode with your friends and family. Maybe they need to hear this too.
Sharing is caring. Thank you all so much for listening today. You are fantastic.
You are. It was a pleasure to be with you all. Keep practicing your English and keep taking those small, positive steps.
That's right. Until next time, take care and be well.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.